During the same period, feeling of romanticism developed in Europe. It was a cultural movement which aimed at developing a particular form of national sentiments and promote a feeling of collective heritage. It emphasized on vernacular language and the collection of local folklore to recover an ancient national spirit. Then the period of 1830s was the year of hardship in Europe on account of the increase in population, unemployment, rural-urban migration, competition. This period was a period of hardship for the people of Europe in general because of all these factors. Then again we find the revolution took place in France in 1848, and this revolution brought about the abdication of the monarch and a republican system was established in France on the basis of universal male suffrage. At the same time, in Parliament of Germany, a great change has taken place in Prussia in 1848. The parliamentarians of Prussia, they drafted a constitution. However, this was not accepted by King Wilhelm IV. He rejected the crown offered to him. He did not want to rule over the country according to the constitution made by the members of parliament. And King Wilhelm IV called upon the troops and disbanded the whole assembly. The Frankfurt Parliament was one of the first steps taken by the members of the Parliament of Prussia in the field of the unification of Germany. Then in 1858, William IV was replaced by his brother William I, who appointed Bismarck. Bismarck played a very important role in the unification of Germany. He adopted the policy of iron and blood, and three were because at that time Germany was divided into a number of states. Some parts were under the control of Denmark, some under the control of Austria, and some were under the control of France. So until and unless these countries were defeated, the unification of Germany could not be achieved. In 1864, Denmark was defeated. In 1868, Prussia defeated Austria. Prussia was the main state of Germany, as you all know. Defeated Austria in the Battle of Sadowa. Treaty of Prague was concluded, in which Austria had to cede all the 22 states in North Germany to Prussia. Prussia got all the 22 states of Germany. Then in 1870, the Battle of Sedan. That was very important battle in the history of modern Europe. In this battle, the Prussian army defeated the army of Napoleon III. A Treaty of Frankfurt was signed accordingly. France had to cede the province of Alsace-Lorraine, and all the southern states of Germany, which at once were under the control of France, was now ceded to Prussia. And after the defeat of France, we find that the unification of Germany was achieved.